Hello there, it's demonstration time. We have labels that's going to indicate the front of the fixture. Just go ahead and put that label directly in front of you, and then we're going to go through a two-part process. We're going to set the box in the fixture, then we're going to press it down and make our fold. So it's going to go something like this. We're going to set it, we're going to press her down, go ahead and make a couple of folds, and we have our first completed box. Our second fixture, it's going to be the same procedure. This is going to go ahead and work for two different boxes. So let's go ahead and show you how that's done. Once again, we're going to go ahead and set it into the fixture, press it down, make a couple of folds, and there's our first box. Second box is just a little bit larger. If you're having trouble kind of getting things aligned up here, you can also crack these scores here, pull them up against the fixture, and then press it down that way. And once again, make a couple of folds, and you're off to the races. Thank you very much.